Hello everyone, again it's me. Try to show how to make Chinese dumplings from scratch, Jiao Zi. Now I'm going to prepare the flour. So this is cold water, add a little bit of salt, and so you use 2 chopsticks and add water and stir it. So you need quite a bit of water really. I think it's half of the flour amount you need. It's better to make a slightly soft dough for this Jiao Zi, small Chinese dumplings. So what you do, you just make it moist, and it's easy to don't get put off, and it's you know, just common sense again really. Most of the things, what you do, you get all this flour moist first, and what you do, you have to use your hand. And now I'm going to use my gloves, so it's cleaner. Use my right hand. What you do, you just press them, or kneading them, how you call it, into one smooth piece, and let it put some more water there. More water there. And I use gloves. I think they're so good, because afterwards you don't have to wash your hand with all the sticky dough from your hand. And you see, if you got some dry flour on the bottom, and we have more water in there. So that's why I call it common sense. And kneading it. Press it until all the flours become dough. It's quite a bit of work, honestly. I wasn't trained with this kind of work until I was really started to make dumplings only about 5 years ago, when I stayed in a country where there's no restaurant, no takeaway, and I was diving for some Chinese food. What I do, I search on the internet and how to make it from different people. I try to figure out what's the most suitable to me and most the best one, and then I'll make it. So before that, I lived here so long, but I never made it, because you can get it from frozen ones from the restaurant if you sometimes crave it, because it's kind of a job really. You see, you need to, well, luckily we all have grounded mince. In the old days, people used to chop their mince, chop their pork or lamb or whatever to mince. That's even more extra job. So you need to, now we got grounded pork, we need to put all the sauces in, and then we need to chop the vegetables, and then we need to make the dough. Now it's on the third step now. So that dough is okay now. Let it set off for 30 minutes while I get all the chopping board and knife, rolling pin, everything ready for the next step, and make the wrapping for the dumplings. Okay then, I'll see you next video. Bye bye.